Alright guys, welcome back to the Nasdaq Daily, the go-to place for every Nasdaq trader. It's great to have you with me here tonight. Today's Monday, March 15th. And if this is your first time here, I'm glad to have you here with me. My job today is to prepare you for tomorrow's trading session, which is going to be Tuesday, March the 16th. But before I get started, I just want to make sure to remind you guys to subscribe to my channel, and you can do it from this button right here on your video, or just go straight to my channel and hit the subscribe button as well. And don't forget, if you guys have any questions, you're more than welcome to drop these right here in the comment section below, where you're going to find the potential levels for tomorrow's trading session. I really appreciate your time with me guys tonight, but now let's jump right into the video. So this right here that I'm showing you is my previous video from 4 days ago, March 11th, as you can see here, and this was the plan. So I've kind of discussed how we can go down into this channel and test this level 12,850, and from there we could have expected to see some kind of rally all the way up to the 12,250 levels. Now let's see what happened after that. And if you guys want to check this video out, I'm going to have a link in the description box below. You can just pause this one, go and see what my plan was and how it did turn out. So this was Thursday. It was right here when I created the video, in this little area right here. Let me just grab my tool. Yeah, we were about here when I did the video, and the plan was to look for support in this level right here. Now what happened is we did not quite bounce exactly from that level, but that was the last level of my levels that you can see here on the chart that kind of acted as support. We did not even touch the 12,750. And as you can see, once we reclaimed the level and we came back to retest it, that's where we found the support. And most importantly, we found the support. Just look how just perfect that support acts. This channel acts as a support right now. If you just played bounce from any of these line touches, you could have made easy about, what is this, about 200 points. But now, what's the plan for tomorrow? As you can see here, I have some levels for you guys already. And the first thing I'm gonna be looking at is for some kind of a rally outside. Let me just remove these because they're on the way here. We want to see this high right here to be taken out, and after we break it, just watch any of these two levels for some kind of a small pullback. Maybe watch it 249 or 350, and from there we might, if we get there, you can expect to see a little bit of pullback, maybe 100 points, or maybe a little bit deeper, just to retest that level. And from there we can expect to see a rally to the upper side of the channel. And my first target to take profits on my longs is 13,450, and the second target is 13,550. And I'm going to say this here, and I don't want you guys to be left with the wrong expectations. This is quite a big move. This is about 350 points from the current price. It is possible that we can see it tomorrow, but it's not very likely. So we might get there into two trading sessions, and that is very important to know, because some guys think that the market will always move like 400, 500 points a day, and that is not the case most of the time, especially when we're moving to the upside. When we're moving to the downside, the volatility is usually higher, and when we move to the upside, we should expect smaller moves to the upside. That's just my point. Now let's look what happens if we do not respect this this channel, and let's say we just dump right from this level at resistance that we are currently at. I'm going to be looking to enter long at this area right here, the 12,750, which is our previous support. As you can see here, we didn't quite get to that level the last time, but if we dump from here, I'm pretty sure we're going to retest this level. And the next support will be at 12,550, which is there because it will correspond with the retest of this old channel, which is the bearish channel that I've been talking for the last 2 weeks, and we're finally out of that channel. Everything is looking good for the bulls, and yeah, we'll see what happens, guys. You cannot predict the exact thing that's going to happen. You can only react. That's why I'm giving you first I'm giving you what I believe is going to happen, and as you can see here, we're trying to take out this previous high. If you guys trade some kind of a smaller time frames, you can see that right now we're forming some kind of a very, very tiny channel right here, and this can give great opportunities for momentum traders that trade, not scalpers, but pretty much every single day trader trades very small momentum movements. And as you can see here, as long as we stay in this channel, we're going to continue to the upside. And even from here right now, you can see about 60-70 points. But that is just for you guys. I just want to mention that for you guys that trade short-term time frames. Another thing that I want to mention here is that even if you market buy at the moment and target this level right here that I have, you can still have a pretty nice risk to reward ratio if you place your stop loss just underneath this level, or maybe you watch this level, and if you don't break it, you can still hold your position. That's depending totally on your style. I'm just saying that even if you want to market buy at current price, there is a pretty nice risk to reward to the upside. Yeah, guys, so these are the two levels that I'm looking at if we get out of this channel. But for now, my main plan is to stay inside of the channel. Everything is looking good for the bulls, and we should be seeing these two levels very soon. This will be it for today's video.